Hi, good evening. This is Pitamrana Chatan Pishayadi from PDM Advisors Private Limited. So let us look into Nifty, Bank Nifty, USD INR and dollar index to see the support and resistance of all these stocks. And then we will see few stocks which are either bullish or bearish or where we can expect both side movement. So the first stock that we have taken is Nifty. So you can see here that the Nifty has only one resistance at 18,648.49 and the high made today was 16,614 and then it retraced came down to 18,562 and the support is at 18,282.13. So now for a couple of days, unless and until one of this level is breached, you can expect the market to move between 18,648 and 18,682. If you look at Bank Nifty, then Bank Nifty is hovering around the same level. In the case of Bank Nifty, the resistance is at 43,338. Today it made a high of 43,159 before closing at 43,020. So the support is at 42,465 and the resistance at 43,338. So a major up move or down move will happen only if it closes above or below this level. Now if you look at USD INR, since USD INR we have changed the expiry. Now USD INR is of December expiry. So let us add that 6 super trend template. So here you can see that USD INR is in a range bound market. It has a resistance at 82.15, 83.01 and 83.86, whereas the support is at 80.72, 80.07 and 79.41. So here you can see that a major up move or down move will happen above 82.15 or it will take a support at 80.72. Now if you look at the dollar index is hovering around the between 106.96 and 105.05. This is been happening for the past few days. That is the reason why we are not seeing a big movement in USD INR. It is moving up and down and playing within that range. So a major up move or down move will happen only if it crosses 106.95 or it closes below 105.05. Now, if you look at the stocks, we can see which all stocks we can have a look at. So the first bearish stock that we are going to look at is at Biocon. So you can see that Biocon is trading below all the 6 super trend, and since there is two resistance at the same level of 289 and 290, whenever the market moves up, one can go for a short position with a small stop loss of 291 or 292. The probability of getting profit is 6 to 8% on the downside. Now there are 5 stocks where you can expect both side movement. So the first stock in this list is Bajaj Auto. Now Bajaj Auto is just at the dot on the resistance level, that is 3681. The market went to 3710 and then it closed at 3676. So 3681 is your resistance level. If it closes above this level, you can expect the market to move to 3817 level, and if it does not cross 3681, then you can expect the market to come down to 3681. Then you can expect the market to come down to the support is at 3358. So there is a huge gap on the lower side, and if it goes above, there is a small target of only 200 points, 150 points. The second stock in this list is City Union Bank. So it's exactly at the resistance level of 191.27. It made a high of 190.70 before closing at 189.95. If it closes above this level, you can expect an 8 to 9% on the move on the upside. And if it fails to cross this level, then you can expect the market to come down to 169.59 levels. The next stock in the list is Intellect Design. Here, the market has been in the support level for a long time. So if the market goes above, it can go up to 486 level, and if 432 level is breached, then you can expect the market to if 432 level is breached, then it will come down 6 to 8% on the downside. So we have ample space on the downside, and it is being hovering around that for a longer time. If it breaks below this level, you can expect 6 to 8% more on the downside. Maruti is also exactly at the resistance. It made a high of 9104 today, but it couldn't sustain above 9074, and it has closed at 8985. So if it closes above 9074, you can expect 6 to 8% more on the upper side, and if it fails to cross 9074, then you can expect the market to come to 8642 levels. The last stock in this list is Naukri. Naukri is also at the resistance level of 3989. Today it made a high of 3999.95 before closing at 3940. So it has been facing the resistance for so long that's unable to cross it. If it breaches this level, then you can expect the next target to be 4418. And if it fails to cross this level, then you can expect the market to come to 3595 levels. So there is a wide gap on either side for the support and resistance. Now let us see stocks which has given a reversal today in the 6 super trends. There are 10 stocks. First stock is Apollo Tyre. So you can see that Apollo Tyre has given an uptrend today, and it is trading above all the 6 super trends. So now whenever there is a slight reversal, a downward side move, then one can go long with a stop loss of 280 for 6 to 8% target on the upside. The next stock in the list is Asian Paints. Asian Paints also has given a reversal today, and if it falls a bit, there can be a slight retracement. Whenever there is a slight retracement, you can go long with a stop loss of 3055 for a target of 3250. The next stock on the list is Bandhan Bank. Since it is given a reversal, don't enter the trade immediately in the morning. Wait for a slight retracement before entering the trade. Bandhan Bank also has given a reversal. Now there are 5 resistances and 1 support. The support being at 212. So if it falls by 5 or 6 rupees, you can go long with a stop loss of 210 and a target of 235. The next stock in this list is Bharat Forge. Bharat Forge also is trading above all the 6 super trends. So the support is at 834. So if there is a slight retracement, one can go long for a target of 6 to 8% on the upside with a stop loss of 832 levels. But that 832 should be on the closing basis and not intraday. The next stock in the list is Cummins. This is also given as uptrend and it's trading above all the 6 super trends. So if there is a slight retracement to 13 up to 1346 levels, one can go long for a target of 6 to 8% on the upper side. The next stock in the list is Divi's Lab. So Divi's Lab has been in the downtrend for a long time. Today now it has crossed and is given an uptrend. It is just above your sixth super trend. So the support is at 32.85. So whenever there is a slight retracement, you can go long for a target of 3465. The stop loss would be 3275. The next stock in the list is Ind Hotel. Hind Hotel has given upside on the given an uptrend in the on the six super trends, and it is trading above all the six super trends. So whenever there is a retracement to 313 level, you can go long for a target of 6 to 8% on the higher side. IOC. IOC has given a retracement, but there is two resistance at 77 level and 79 level. So you can track this because it has been in constantly in an uptrend mode. So if it crosses 79 levels, you can go long for a target of 6 to 8% on the higher side. MFSL. MFSL has given an uptrend, but immediately it has tanked a bit. So wait for a slight retracement and you can take a trade with a stop loss of 645. So you can take a trade around at 660 levels. If it comes down to 660 levels, you can go long for a target of 732. And the last script is Muthoot Finance. Muthoot Finance has given a reversal. So wait for a slight retracement to 1065 levels or 670 levels before you go long with a stop loss of 1050 for a target of 1181. Now there is only one stock which has given a bearish trend reversal today, and that is Jindal Steel. So Jindal Steel has given a reversal after being above the 6 super trend for a long time. So whenever there is a slight up move to 530 levels, you can go short for a target of 480. The stop loss would be around 430, 535 levels. So these are the few stocks that we have seen reversals or where you can take a position for the next day, that is tomorrow, 29th November. I hope you have understood how we are filtering the stocks for taking a position. We can take a position on either we using options or future and options, or you can trade in equity also. So I hope you have enjoyed watching this video, and if you feel that the content is good enough, then kindly share it with your family and friends and help them to trade in a simple manner. If you have not subscribed to this channel, PDM Advisors Private Limited, then kindly subscribe to this channel so that you can get the notification as when the video is uploaded. Thank you for watching.